Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. I am plugging in a soldering iron, not a de-soldering iron, but de-soldering iron. This one. I'm going to move the de-soldering iron over a bit and get this sitting with the cord away from anything that could do any harm to it. And then, let's see, what's what. You know, I don't like this tape job so much. So I think what I'm going to do, I've got it running over the socket. I think what I'm going to do is take another bunch and put it over. No, don't move, cord. Put it over the end of the tape to hold it very securely. Because I want it to stay in position when I turn the board over and begin the soldering operation. This is a PET 4032. It was one of the original BBBBS PETs for the Bradley Brothers bulletin board system. And from what I can tell from my experimentation, it has some bad screen RAM. So I have taken out or desoldered one such offending chip. Boy hells. And it's right here. It's a 2114 chip. Can be found in various of these Commodore relics. It can. Okay, so the socket is looking good. And I have not tons of solder here, but hopefully enough solder. And if it isn't, well, I have more. So now, I think the iron is hot, but we'll see. Oh, come on, cord. Cords are always great when they're brand new and they got all these kinks in them. They're just dying to try and have you burn the iron on the thing. So we'll lay down the solder. It may not be hot enough yet. It might be. We'll lay down the iron. Is that flowing nicely? Maybe. Maybe it is. Maybe not quite yet. Yeah, it's probably okay. So we have 2 of the 18 connections completed. Boy, those are awful tight together. It may be that in a moment I do something. Yes, I think I will. I'm going to turn the configuration of the board so I can get better at it. Each little connection. And see it better. And make it so, as they would say on the old Star Trek The Next Generation, make it flow and make it so. All right. We probably don't have a great view of this, but the solder is getting shorter. And as the solder gets shorter, the solder can get hotter in your fingers. No, I've not run into that yet. Not on this as of yet. Not as of yet. But we are getting pretty short. So I'm just going to tap those first connections, and I believe we're good. So now that the cord is running under the board, which is not where I wanted it, I will lift the board, and then I'll keep keeping my arm away from everything. Unplug that so it will get cool. And it does seem like, you know, that light was pulsing in the last video. It does seem, I believe, that this thing kind of pulses on and off and on and off and on and off to keep it at the right temperature and not get too hot. At least that is what I think. So now that I have that done, I can score the tape off of here and look at the socket and say that looks pretty dandy. It does. Now, I do have to hunt around here. Yeah, that feels good. I gotta hunt around here because I know, at least I think I know, somewhere up here in one of these lovely, lovely containers that I have the 2114 chips that were downstairs. And I think it's this one. Oh, boy, that's heavy. I don't know for sure, but I think it is. So, let's see. Now, there's a bunch of chips that need to be checked already. Those are Amiga things. These are other dad things. Maybe I need to really start a box, a special place for the bad chips. Oh yeah, here is a bad, crazy Vic 6560 chip. Bad, 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 crazy, 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 bad, bad. This looks like something more likely to be. What is this? No, Vic 20. Wrong. Okay, but they're down here. They're definitely, I think they're down here. I think they are. I would like to think that they are down here in a little bag. Oh. Maybe while I'm here I should grab that Sharpie. Now it may, oh, there's some more stuff. What's this? Oh, screws. Oh, just start yanking stuff out. These little bags that are supposed to be in a bag aren't in a bag. So they will go all over the place. They will. Screws. Screws for 1541. Screws for 1541. Maybe. Maybe I am mistaken. Maybe I am. Maybe. To get better organized. There is, I'm going to put this one down here. More bags. More little bags. Well, there is this bucket, and it also seems to have things in bags. It does. It's funny, I didn't remember them being in here, but they could be. But, you know, the more I dig, the more I say no. Not there. So, let's move something here. Including, but not limited to, Commodore 64. Okay, I adore my 64. Okay, this looks better. Okay, another bin, old pet chips, I think. Yeah, this is looking. I think, what the heck is that? Alright, let's see here. Big 20. Oh yeah, I see lots of stuff in here. Case screws, 64 something. Aha! Add 2114, 40th pet. Okay, we're on the right track. Because they're in here. They're in here. They're all in here. Oh, there's more than one. Good, 8701. Good, that's beautiful. That's not what I'm looking for. 1541 board things. Screws. 64 thing. Door closure thing. Oh, come on. Why would I put them at the very bottom? Okay. Zip the box. And dig again. Dig again. Oh my word. There's bunches of stuff here. Oh, I think I see it. I think. Good. No. Screws. I hate this. Aha. Right. Good. 2114s from the Vic. Yay. There seem to be 4. Oh, yeah. Oh. Well, now I have more stuff here. At some point, you know, I was going to put all the bad chips on my helmet with hot glue. But hot glue doesn't work very well. It just doesn't. It does not. I wonder how this is working. Somewhat. Maybe I'll take that downstairs. Okay. So, it is time. I only did 1. Maybe I should have done 2. But, you know, if I have to come up here and do it again, not the end of the world. So the irons are unplugged. I have good chips. I have a bad chip that I could stick in just to verify. But I'm hoping I put one of these in, get this all happy. Oh, I've got to put more chips into it. It's missing chips. Of course it is. Why? Because I stuck them in another board. Okay. And this chip could be good. I don't know. I'll find out. All right. Time to go back downstairs. repopulate this board, which has got 4 chips that I will need to put in to have a chance of it working, and 1 2114 RAM chip. So we'll see you again soon. Have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley from the TV room, signing off. Bye for now.